notice. And then those of you that are at work or can't management helps us have access to your unit. We do we don't really need access inside, just enough to pop the windows. And then we need to leave them open for probably half a day or 4 hours so the caulk can seep or dry. You know, that's one of the remedies for the window leaking or leaking. So when we do that, we caulk around the outside of your windows and put those bands on. Hopefully that wicking inside your windows will not be a problem anymore. Anybody else?
Okay. So I just wanted to say one thing to you guys, and for everybody else too. You're amazing. Like, and so you guys have been doing a great job. You washed my car, you didn't have to do that. So, I didn't, well, no, I didn't even ask him to. But like, because you got dust, I'm just saying, like, I don't know, people don't ever give you guys compliments. I don't know if they have.
No, they have. They've gotten a lot.
And hey, we don't pay for publicity.
I just want to say that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's good to hear. We've gotten a lot of compliments, and but we messed up a little bit too, and it's a very imperfect application, and it's hard to keep it under control. But let us know if we're not. I really appreciate the compliment. Got some good people out here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
My neighbor had said with the noise, she opened her door, if your dog ran out, and one of your dogs caught your dog from a heart attack.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. Well, that's our guys. We got some pretty good guys.
He won't think
But the
that's
number
the battery.
the number one thing that really, safety for me and the guys is the number one thing that we harp on it constantly. But this conduct thing is important to me, and so far, thank God, I've had no complaints about our conduct, and believe me, we harp on it. At the end of the day, these are construction guys, they get together and they talk stuff, and I've taught them, I have to pull aside and remind them where they're at. You know, when you get on a ground left pipe turnkey construction project, you do that when you're literally working in people's backyards, and people have to remind them, yes, sir, I get it. They're great people, but when you get 50 guys working together in one place, it's not easy, but so far I've had no complaints about conduct. And if I hear one, let me hear it. Yeah, it's just that they look at my board and it's pretty, it's not that easy. All these guys, they do customers. Yeah, so we're trying and let us know where we can, in the meantime, let's get through the demo phase and kind of that line. So that'll be good. Anybody else?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.